If your Android phone speaker is sounding muffled, weak, or crackling when you play music, you do not need to buy a new phone. Over time, dust pocket lint and moisture get trapped deep inside your speaker grill, completely blocking the sound. Today, I'm going to show you how to safely push all of that dirt out and make your speaker sound brand new again. I am using a Samsung phone to demonstrate this, but these tricks work on every single Android device. Let us get your speaker fixed right now. First, we are going to use a powerful software trick to literally push the dirt and water out from the inside. Open your web browser like Google Chrome. In the search bar, type "Fix My Speakers" and tap Search. Click on the very first official website that appears. Now, before you press the button on this screen, listen to this major precaution. You must turn your phone media volume all the way up to maximum, but you must hold the phone away from your ears. This website plays a very specific and intense high-frequency sound. This sound wave creates a powerful vibration that physically ejects water and loose dust right out of the speaker mesh. Tap the button and let the sound play for about 1 full minute. You might even feel the air pushing out if you put your finger near the bottom grill. Next, we need to safely handle the stubborn dirt that the sound wave could not push out. Turn your phone completely off. Grab a clean, dry, soft bristled toothbrush. Now listen carefully to this safety warning. Never use a needle, a pin, a toothpick, or any sharp object to poke inside your speaker holes. Doing that will permanently puncture the delicate water-resistant mesh inside and completely ruin your phone. Instead, hold your phone upside down so gravity pulls the dirt to the floor. Take the dry toothbrush and gently brush back and forth across the speaker grill at the bottom. The soft bristles will safely sweep out trapped pocket lint without causing any internal damage. If your phone speaker is already starting to sound louder and clearer, take 1 second to hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Gen 2 Solutions family so you never miss our daily Android optimization secrets. For our final trick, we need to fix a hidden software issue that makes your sound feel unbalanced. Sometimes the speaker is perfectly clean, but your phone is only sending half the power to it. Open your main Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Hearing Enhancements. Look carefully for an option called Left-Right Sound Balance. Make sure the slider under Phone Speaker is placed exactly in the dead center. If this slider accidentally gets bumped to the left or the right, your phone will cut power to one side, making your audio sound incredibly weak and muffled. Centering it guarantees that 100% of the audio power is being pushed out of your speakers equally. By combining these physical and software tricks, your phone audio should be fully restored to its original quality. If you want to take your audio to the absolute maximum, make sure you check the description below to discover a secret trick. Double the volume on your Android using hidden equalizer sound settings. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, just comment it. I reply to every comment. Thank you for watching Gen 2 Solutions and see you in the next video.